relax a bit again.
Hey, how are you? You?
Nothing too major, but just some small ones here.
Up a bit, then.
Don't feel that.
That was close. I think that.
It went down actually.
Oh, yeah.
Can we breathe in? Yes. And out. Yeah, it's hard to tell sometimes. Just like in an elevator, sometimes you don't know, right? This small one.
No, it's fine, thanks. No worries, thank you.
Can we turn the hip to this side? Big one. Turn the other way just to make sure. Back to this side again. Just there. So it's not just the muscles, the joints quite jammed up at that part as well. This one is muscle on this side.
teeth come out now.
I used to eat it. With style. This one's almost. Open the mouth and close.
Problems with the chocolate and alcohol.
The coffee, yeah. How many cups do you usually take?
Two usually.
Two, yeah. So just one now.
Now, it's like a double shot almost. So now I'm back to one shot in the morning.
Yes.
Used to play, about a third. So, and then a decaf. My second coffee.
Does it do anything, the decaf?
Well, good decaf tastes nice.
Ah, okay. So you go for the taste as well, huh?
Yeah.
Not just the after effects of it.
Well, that's debatable.
Because that's the point of coffee, right?
Mahalia, which is Swiss, which is the worst, so I haven't tried that yet.
Oh my goodness. And squeeze again. Leave both arms to the sky. Keep an eye on the screens and things like that. If it's a lower one, it's more leaning.
Oh, okay.
So, for example, like if you lay on the side and you lay on your side, and you're leaning your head here, for example. So any kind of positions like that, it'll put a lot of trauma onto that lower neck there.
Okay.
But it's hard to identify what it is, eh? Because
It is.
for work it's the same activities. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not doing anything really different. I think I'll get a new collider. Yeah, I don't think it's the thing that's the headache.
What's the current pillow like?
I've got a flat one and that curved one.
Curved one as well?
Yeah.
Shaped to be. Okay, so this
So
one's
that's a
more.
bit more curvy, yeah.
You got it. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So, high on the edges,
Mm.
low in the center. That's the main one because you want that this part to be sitting here. That's the key. If you're a side sleeper, you want even higher or harder one. Are you side sleeping?
Yeah, I have to.
Yeah. So in that case, your hard one should be better because you want
Okay.
something either firm or something thicker because the distance between your ear and your shoulder is quite. You see what I mean? Yeah, otherwise it'll sink too much. Then you'll end up. with
It's
this
my
one.
physique, isn't it? My Atlas physique.
Yeah. How high is it? The one at home is it around like this?
Yeah, it's very similar. It's a bit more
Similar,
rounded.
yeah.
Yeah. Probably.
A
Is,
bit more. When you say round, what do you mean?
well, it's not as soft as that.
I see. Okay. So it's a firmness. But the shape's the same. The height's the same.
Yeah, it's pretty
So
close.